Sticking with North Korea documentary and reverse engineering that to see why it's so successful, why it's had over 500,000 views in a short time, why it's had so many comments and so on, we're going to look next at tags. This is the tags section, or the keywords section. Very, very crucial that you make a note and you understand this. My very first tag there is North Korea documentary. And just to remind you, if you search YouTube North Korea documentary, there's my film. And if you search that, there's more of my films down there. That is crucial. That, combined with North Korea documentary in the description, North Korea documentary in the title, and my film being uploaded, it would have been better if I'd called the original file North Korea documentary. That has helped to get me that fantastic position there. Coming down, North Korea secret filming, North Korea dear leader Kim Jong-un, various words and in a couple of languages because I'm appealing to an international audience here. My name and son, North Korean ruins, North Korea propaganda, DPRK, KCNA is the news channel in North Korea. Okay. Doesn't matter what your video is about, all those keywords are absolutely essential that you do that. If you do that along with the other things, then you'll do so much better. Long descriptions, lots of tags in there. Make sure that there are multiple words, make sure the phrases that people will search for. One thing that I've not mentioned so far, go back to your old films and you can change these, you can add things to them, you can change them. Don't change them too often, but every few weeks have a play, see how it works, and by changing some of your keywords, particularly if there's something newsy around relevant to your particular videos, you can do very well.